Transform your presentations from tedious tasks to masterpieces with the power of Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. Let's dive into how Microsoft Copilot revolutionizes presentation creation. Begin by opening PowerPoint and navigating to the Copilot tab in your ribbon here. You'll find the Generate Slides option. This is where the magic starts. Simply enter a clear, concise prompt describing the topic of your presentation. For example, create a presentation on the benefits of remote work. Copilot then instantly generates a draft presentation, complete with relevant slides, layouts, and even placeholder text and images. But it doesn't stop there. You can actively refine this initial draft. Need to reorder slides? Want to summarize existing content? Copilot can assist. Struggling with design? Select a slide and explore the design ideas offered by Copilot. It suggests visually appealing layouts and formatting to enhance your message. For content generation, you can ask Copilot to rewrite existing text for clarity or even expand on a specific point to add more detail. This AI-powered assistant streamlines the entire process, from initial concept to polished delivery, ensuring your presentations are informative and impactful. Master your presentations by leveraging the intelligent capabilities of Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. #Microsoft Copilot #PowerPoint tips.